Hello, welcome to Middlesex County College. My name is Jose Laureano and I am the Executive Dean for Student and Enrollment Services. I am a lifelong resident of Middlesex County and I am committed to seeing you thrive and succeed at Middlesex County College. Through our student support services, we will provide you with a seamless and supportive pathway from prospective student to graduation. We are focused on your personal and academic success and will help you get ready to pursue your career path or to pursue your next degree after graduation.
Enrollment Services. Our one-stop Enrollment Services Center provides a host of services related to admissions, financial aid, bill payment, registration for classes, and student records. Other services available include academic advising, testing, career, transfer, and veteran services. Through this one-stop model, our students can expect a high level of service and support while attending Middlesex County College. Veteran Services. Middlesex County College is one of the most veteran-friendly colleges in the nation. Our awards and recognitions are emblematic of our continued support to our military-affiliated students. Our nationally recognized Veterans Services Center provides military veterans, current service members, and their dependents with access to an affordable, quality education and comprehensive support services. We continue to be recognized for our outstanding commitment to fulfilling the educational needs of our returning service members and their families. Counseling. College presents new experiences which may require adjustments in life as new interests and abilities are discovered. Professional counselors assist students in making decisions about career choices, educational majors, college transfer, and personal concerns. Counselors assist students in adjusting to the demands of college and in improving their academic and social skills. Through our counseling department, we also offer a variety of disability services for students, including adapted testing, note-taker support, sign language interpreters, adaptive technology, and more. Overall, the Department of Counseling Services provides support to enhance student development and to foster a successful college experience for all students. Our Educational Opportunity Fund, EOF, program provides meaningful access to highly motivated students from New Jersey who lack the financial support and college readiness to achieve a college degree. EOF is committed to providing financial support and an array of comprehensive services necessary to achieve academic success, foster personal growth, and promote career development. Our students engage in transformative learning opportunities that empower them to become intellectual scholars, lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and ethical leaders. Our services focus on effectively preparing our scholars to continue their education at a four-year college or university and to become successful, skilled citizens in a diverse society. Tutoring and Writing Center. We offer free academic support for most subjects, including the natural sciences, business, English, reading, writing, and mathematics. Through our Writing Center, we help students develop writing strategies and guide them toward a better understanding of the writing process. Child Care Center and Full-Day Kindergarten. Child care is another area of support for our students. Our Child Care Center is state licensed and approved for ages 2.5 to 6 years old. We are located on campus and operate 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. We offer 3, 4, or 5 full-day schedule options. We also offer a 10% discount on child care tuition to MCC students. Our Middlesex County College Child Care Center creates a welcoming environment for our families and provides important stepping stones towards each child's emotional, physical, and educational goals. Student life and basic needs. Our Student Life Office plans and implements a full range of social, cultural, and recreational activities to enhance the student's educational experience at Middlesex County College. Through our basic needs initiatives and food pantry, we offer our students food and personal hygiene items at no cost. We are dedicated to building a culture of caring that recognizes students' needs, provides thoughtful support, and empowers wellness and success in the classroom and beyond.
We are an inclusive, supportive, and culturally engaged campus community that is focused and invested in seeing you succeed and accomplish all of your personal and academic goals. We hope to see you soon, and remember that success starts here.